You pick them up?
Oh, we're trying to get on that, huh? Hey, Frankie, look what I got. I guess I'll take them and put them in the other room.
Okay.
Look, I can reach the knives.
Baby proofed.
We do need to get him a little step ladder for the... I haven't seen
For the
one.
knives.
For the knives. Hey, Frankie. Come here. Put them in the pile. Thank you. What are you going to do with all those? Oh, what are those? Should we give them to Dad? I think Dad wants one.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Put it back on.
Here, let's put them over here. Oh.
See any more?
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Put them over here? Put them over here.
Uh-oh. Child abuse, child abuse.
Show Dad.
Uh-oh.